Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, I got a new wig for you, and this is from the Gorgius brand. Now I am absolutely in love with the Gorgius brand because they specialize in quick, fun, fast, easy human hair units. But girl, they are literally effortless. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the one that I have. But girl, this little iridescent box is everything. I just love when my packages come nice and neatly packaged in a beautiful, beautiful package. And this is so gorgeous. But let's go ahead and get into the one I chose. Oops, looks like we got some goodies in here. Okay, nice. I love it when my wigs come with all these cool things. We do get a pack of wig caps, which is a 2-pack. Okay, we got some nice beigey ones. We do have a little makeup wig care kit here that has the logo on it. It says Gorgius. And girl, the little pouch matches the box. How cool is that? They both have the iridescent look. I love that. Now inside, we do get some elastic band should you need some added security in your wig. You do get a baby hair comb brush combo tool. Never have too many of those. Hairpins, bobby pins, if you will. Oh, we get a tweezer. Now that is a nice touch. They sent over a tweezer. Girl, a tweezer. And you got some clips. You got clips to help your install go easy should you need to hold your hair back. Okay, so those were all of the free goodies that you get when you order. But let's get into the bag, girl. This is the nice satin bag, and I live for the satin bag. If I don't even get a box, the satin bag is just best because, girl, when you're not wearing your unit, you can take it off and put it back in the bag to store it. How nice is that? All right, girl, let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, like I said, all of their units are just ready to wear right out of the pack. They are just ready to go. This hair already just feels gorgeous. I already know I'm about to be in love with this, girl. Now I opted for their long human hair wig with a bang. I love a good unit with a bang. Okay, I used to always go to the beauty supply store and get me a synthetic piece like this, but once you discover the human hair ones in this style, girl, there's no going back. You'll have to keep buying that synthetic one over and over and over again. But the human hair wig, girl, this lasts. This is so gorgeous. Look at the hair. OMGG. It feels so good. Now, this is human hair. Should you want to highlight it, lift it, dye it, whatever, you can do whatever you want to it. Let me show you the cap construction. Okay. Pretty basic. You have temple combs. You have an elastic strap and an adjustable strap and a comb in the back. Pretty standard cap construction, okay? So nice. And then you do have some lace to give you a skin scalp-like appearance at the top. So this is way better than the wig that you would get down at the beauty. This is the best one I've received. I can't even lie, because everything else has that little swirl at the top that just says wig. You know what I mean? Wig. You don't get that with this because you have some lace at the top. I love this. So like I said, this is most definitely by far the best human hair wig with a bang. But girl, let me go ahead and put this baby on now that I've shown you the cap construction. Let me go ahead and just adjust the adjustable straps in the back. Okay. And now we're gonna put it on. Now these wigs are the easiest. Cap as their way of putting on a wig. This is how I like to do it. I like to hold it like this and put this down like this. I'm gonna grab my elastic, put it at the nape of my neck. Now grab the back of the wig, and voila. Making sure I'm tucked all the way in, all around. Bam. The fastest, most easiest wig install ever. Now, of course, I'm going to pull it back because, there we go. I don't want my hair all down in my eyes. But girl, this is gorgeous. The hair just feels amazing. It has like this yucky like texture to it. Girl, this is beautiful. Why am I already thinking about having a second unit? I'm gonna order a second. Now, if you like to use the temple combs, go ahead and get those adjusted. This wig is so nice, super secure. I love the long wispy bang look. Girl, it's nice, so nice. Look, I'll give you an idea of the length. Now, all of the specs will be down below, so don't skip over that description box. Yes, this hair is just gorgeous. Closer look at that scalp-like lacy part at the top. Girl, it is giving, this is your hair, okay? This is your gorgeous head of hair. This is so gorgeous. In love. I am in love with this unit. Now I see why they call their brand Gorgeous, okay? Because I feel gorgeous. This wig is gorgeous. Girl, everything about my experience with gorgeous hair has been gorgeous, okay? So nice. Now, as you see, this hair came just right out of the pack, just ready to go. I didn't have to put any type of flat iron or curling iron in it. Now, if you wanted to bump the bang to make it a little more lifted or bouncy, you can definitely do this, as this is human hair. But girl, this wig is everything. I am totally in love with this unit. My hair is moving, it is flowing, it is everything. So gorgeous. Be sure you check out that description box. All the information, the specs, the links, discount codes, everything will be down below in the description box. So do not skip over it, girl. I am in love with these human hair full cap wigs. They have so many to choose from. I think next I'm gonna go with the curly one, because that's how I initially found this company. The girls were reviewing this human hair curly wig, okay? Nice, that's super nice. Be sure to check them out. 5-minute human hair, glamorous, gorgeous installs. Don't skip over that link down below in the description box. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.